Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Clark, the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. And I want to talk a couple of minutes about testosterone and how it actually protects your body from developing certain problems. When I say certain problems, we're talking about your heart, your brain, the breast tissue, and your bones. Now, we know that testosterone is a very important hormone for both men and women. And we also know that it tends to fix certain symptoms: low energy, poor quality sleep, brain fog, kind of achy aches and pains, low sex drive. Okay, testosterone can actually fix a lot of those symptoms. But testosterone also does a lot of things that we don't necessarily realize at the time it's doing, meaning that it actually protects your heart from developing problems, helps protect your brain from developing problems, specifically Alzheimer's. Breast tissue, it helps protect from developing breast cancers. It's actually being used as a treatment for some breast cancers. And it protects your bones from osteoporosis. Typically, those four organs, your heart, your brain, breast tissue, and bones, they typically don't have symptoms until there's a problem. And so testosterone can actually help prevent those problems from actually developing, not necessarily waiting till the problem is already developed. Interested in hearing more about kind of what testosterone and other hormone replacement can do for you, please give us a call here at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. Phone number 757-873-1880. We're located in Newport News at 711 Brick Kiln Boulevard in Newport News. Just give us a yell over here. We'll get you lined up. You can get your labs checked. We can go over this to see if this can potentially help you. Thanks for listening. We'll talk again soon. Take care and have a good day.